Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to withdraw your earned stars on Telegram using the latest update. This process is straightforward, so let us dive right in. First, open your Telegram application on your mobile device. Navigate to the specific channel where you have earned your stars. Once you are inside your channel, tap on the channel profile picture or name at the top of the screen to open the channel information panel. In this menu, look for the option labeled Balance and tap on it. If you do not see it immediately, ensure you have admin rights to the channel and that your app is fully updated. Inside the Balance section, scroll down to view your current earnings. Here you will see your total available stars. To proceed with the withdrawal, you need to meet the minimum required threshold. Currently, you must have at least 1,000 stars to make a withdrawal. If your balance is 1,000 stars or more, simply tap the withdraw button. Telegram processes these withdrawals through the Fragment platform. Follow the prompts to connect your TON wallet to complete the transaction and securely claim your funds. And that is it. You have successfully initiated your stars withdrawal on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and professional technical guides. See you in the next video.